guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling out here on our project in Fishers, and just want to provide a quick update as we've got some before pictures and videos of this one. So we are currently in the final stages of this. We still probably have a few more days, maybe 3 or 4 more days to finish up some of the miscellaneous things that we're doing, but you can see this one's starting to come together. Got an all fiber cement system, James Hardie for the siding, trim, and soffit. A lot of fantastic details on this house. You can see just the diamond cutout at the top. It's just a nice clean finish. And we are starting to whitewash the brick. You can see here some of the whitewashing that we've done. We still have some more touching up to do with that one. And you can see the new Owens Corning black sable duration roof is on. So things are starting to come along on this one. Just want to provide a quick update here. We have some cedar posts going on and some cedar accenting trim to tie in some of the cedar tones on this house. So stay tuned for more on this one, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.